I'm Corey S. Powell, the editor of this special issue of American Scientist, and I worked with artist and writer Michael Benson to collect these remarkable images from the history of astronomy. Nicholas Copernicus's heliocentric theory, published in 1543 but based on decades of analysis, is laid out in the original handwritten manuscript of his book On the Revolutions of the Heavenly Spheres. Harmonia Microcosmica, a 1660 star atlas by the Dutch-German cartographer Andreas Cellarius, depicts a radiant sun dominating the solar system. Copernicus sits at lower right, looking rather pleased with himself. This etching from Galileo's 1613 History and Demonstrations Concerning Sunspots seems practically photographic in its precision, and for good reason. It was made using his telescope-based projection device known as a helioscope. This depiction of the moon comes from Galileo's breakthrough 1610 book, The Starry Messenger. The large crater near the center doesn't really exist. Galileo was attempting to convey the essence of the rugged lunar surface. In 1845, Anglo-Irish astronomer William Parsons, the third Earl of Ross, used his 6-ton telescope, called the Leviathan, to map the spiral structure in M51, an object then thought to be a nebula within our galaxy. Lord Ross's widely reproduced print of M51 may have inspired this ink-on-paper study by Vincent van Gogh, drawn in 1889. It was made soon after his famous painting, The Starry Night. Using photographic plates, astronomer Edwin Hubble was able to detect a variable star, labeled VAR here, within what was then called the Andromeda Nebula. His observation proved that the object was actually a distant galaxy, the Andromeda Galaxy. A modern view of M51, popularly known as the Whirlpool Galaxy, captures details that Lord Ross could not perceive. This Hubble Space Telescope image reveals M51 as a spiral galaxy as large as our own Milky Way. Our galaxy resides on the fringes of Laniakea, a supercluster of about 100,000 galaxies. A team led by Brent Tully at the University of Hawaii mapped this vast structure. White lines here indicate flows of galaxies. They mostly move away from lower density regions of the universe, colored blue, and toward higher density regions, marked in red. Read more about the artistic side of astronomy in Michael Benson's article, The Cosmos Revealed in Data and Drawing, in this special issue of American Scientist.